Dates milk drink is a powerful natural source of energy and nutrition. As soon as it enters the body, the milk soothes the stomach while dates begin releasing natural sugars, minerals, and vitamins. Inside the intestines, nutrients like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron are absorbed into the bloodstream. These nutrients help strengthen bones, improve blood circulation, and support healthy digestion. As the nutrients travel through the body, muscles receive instant energy, helping reduce weakness and fatigue. The brain benefits from a steady glucose supply, improving focus and mental clarity. Dates milk drink also supports gut health by promoting smooth digestion and nourishing beneficial bacteria. This makes it an excellent drink for strength, recovery, and daily vitality. However, excessive consumption may cause a rise in blood sugar or mild stomach discomfort, especially for sensitive individuals. Moderation is key. When consumed wisely, dates milk drink becomes a natural booster for energy, strength, and overall health.